Today we're going to do something a little bit fun. We're going to remove the Hyundai emblem. I'm not sure if this is a good solution to the Hyundai and Kia theft. Maybe by removing the H, the thieves won't see it from far away. Myself, I just don't like the design, so I'm just going to rip it off and I will replace it with a 3D printed emblem. The tools I'm using today is from iFixit. Inside the package, it includes all of these types of scraper. Whatever you do, do not use metal, otherwise you'll scrape the paint off easily. So don't use this tool and don't use this tool. To start off, I'm using this guitar pick, and then to scrape off the sticky residue, I'm using this stick right here. If you don't have this tool, that's okay, you can always use a credit card. It works, but it'll be a little slower, of course. So let's get started. First, I use a piece of cardboard. Cut a hole within the cardboard just to reveal the emblem. The reason why we're covering up is because we'll be using a heat gun, a very powerful heat gun. It's strong enough to damage the paint if you're not careful with it. I'm clumsy myself, so I'm just going to use cardboard to protect the paint job. Once the area outside the emblem is protected, go ahead and use a heat gun. If you don't have a heat gun, go ahead and use a hairdryer. But using the hairdryer will take a very long time. On my heat gun, there's low and high. I'm setting mine on high. Wave it around wherever the emblem touches the car. After about 30 seconds, you should be able to use this guitar pick and slide it right through. Once the pick is in, go ahead and slide it around until you can't slide any further. If you can't slide any further, don't even try to push it. Go ahead and turn on the heat gun back again and wave it back and forth, back and forth. This is the results after about 2 minutes. I was able to lift it up easily. This is the result after about 5 minutes of scraping with the tools I showed you earlier. For the stubborn residue, go ahead and turn on the heat gun one more time to heat it up, to burn it off, and then you can scrape it again easily. To remove the front emblem, the same exact process applies. Obviously, it will take a lot more time because the front emblem is a lot bigger than the back. Here's a 3D printed emblem that I got from the forum. In my opinion, it looks really bad. I don't know if it's because of the design or because of the cheap filament that I'm using. So whatever design that you want to do, go ahead and find it on Thingiverse or Printables or anywhere else. To actually get it to stick to the car now, we're using double-sided tape from Gorilla. This stuff works. I'm sure this is the same double-sided tape that Hyundai use. Here you can see that I 3D printed an emblem, applied to the back side of the emblem, and once we get outside of the car, we can go ahead and peel this blue protective tape back. As mentioned before, the front logo is much bigger, and this is the final result. We're using PETG filaments. This filament will easily last in the hot sun. We're using Cura as a slicer to prepare the print. In the settings, I let the top layers be fully exposed to reveal the underlayer underneath it. I really like this design and hope you do too. The STL file is available in the link below. Maybe it looks bad in pictures, but in real life it looks really good because the PETG is highly glossy and it matches perfectly fine with the car. Just for fun, I did try the blue, but I didn't like it at all. I don't know why. I'm guessing it doesn't look good because nothing on the car is blue. So this blue sticks out like a sore thumb. Alright, hopefully you found this video guide helpful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.